talk about one of the most devastating events that can strike our planet: natural disasters. While the United States is no stranger to natural calamities, some disasters have left an indelible mark on the country, claiming countless lives and causing billions of dollars in damage. In this video, we're going to look at the 10 worst natural disasters to strike the United States. Get ready to see the deadliest and most destructive natural disasters in U.S. history. Let's get started. Hurricane Katrina. What first made landfall north of Miami as a Category 1 storm strengthened to a Category 3 once it hit the Gulf Coast states. Hurricane Katrina's fury caused a rise in seawater levels, wind damage, and the failure of the New Orleans levee system, resulting in more than 1,800 deaths and displacing more than 1 million people. Hurricane Harvey. The Category 4 hurricane caused historic flooding across Houston and surrounding areas. More than 30 inches of rain fell on 6.9 million people, causing over 100 deaths, displacing more than 30,000 people, and destroying more than 200,000 homes and businesses. Hurricane Maria. Puerto Rico faced the greatest amount of damage from Hurricane Maria. The island experienced widespread collapse of its transportation, agriculture, communication, and energy infrastructure. The exact death toll caused by the storm is unknown. NOAA estimated nearly 3,000 deaths, but Harvard researchers put the number anywhere between 800 and 8,500. Hurricane Sandy. The late October storm brought wind, rain, and heavy snow to the northeast when it merged with the developing nor'easter. High winds and storm surge caused the most damage to New York and New Jersey's water and electrical services, resulting in an estimated 159 deaths. The New York Stock Exchange closed for 2 consecutive business days for the first time since 1888. Hurricane Ida. Ida is just one of 3 hurricanes in recorded history to make landfall in Louisiana with sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. The storm heavily damaged the state's energy infrastructure, leaving millions without electricity for nearly a week. In Grand Isle, Louisiana, 100% of its homes suffered damage and almost 40% were nearly to completely destroyed. Hurricane Irma. 1/4 of the homes in the Florida Keys were destroyed and 2/3 were severely damaged from the severe wind and storm surge of the Category 4 hurricane. This after Irma, then a Category 5, devastated the U.S. Virgin Islands. Nearly 100 people were killed as a result of the storm. Hurricane Andrew. Andrew is one of just 3 known Category 5 hurricanes to hit the U.S. mainland. The others were Camille in 1969 and the Labor Day hurricane of 1935. The storm's high winds damaged or destroyed over 125,000 homes and left at least 160,000 people homeless in Dade County, Florida alone. Andrew later impacted Louisiana as a Category 3. U.S. drought and heat wave. From June through August 1988, a drought across a large portion of the U.S. severely impacted farmers and other agricultural industries. NOAA put the official estimate of fatalities at 454, but deaths indirectly related to heat stress may have hit 5,000. Midwest flooding. Heavy rains and thunderstorms from late June to mid-August caused extensive damage to agriculture, infrastructure, homes, and businesses. Many rivers set records for flood heights, and an estimated 48 people died. Hurricane Ike. No Atlantic hurricane on record has been larger in size than Ike, which generated considerable storm surge along the Texas coast. High winds and flooding extended across 10 other states. Gas shortages resulted from damage to oil platforms, pipelines, and refineries. There were more than 100 deaths tied to the hurricane.